Good afternoon, everyone. This is Matt over at MilestoneCapitalGrowthPortfolio.com. Today's Tuesday, July 15th. All right, I got about four of them I want to look at, but we're gonna start with the SPY right now, the S&P 500. The SPY had huge selling today, big old candle today, but looks like somebody took it all. Came down to the middle Bollinger Band on the daily and rocketed back up again. So the gap was filled. That was right here, and then it came down a little bit lower and shot back up again. So it looks fine to me. A little bit of a pullback, and the buyers stepped in. Great job, Feds. Anyway, relative strength index is at 63. Momentum's kind of flat, and like I said, your volume, any green now is just going to kick it to the upside. So we'll break this top right here of 198.38. As I said, last week, that we're going higher. It's just that simple. There's nothing that's stopping it, seems like. But I think I'll wait till she's done talking tomorrow. She did hit the social networks and the biotechs, that's for sure. They took a nice shot across the bow as she said that they were overextended. So see what happens with those. I don't think they'll fall too much before rocketing back up again. So that's the SPY. But IWM I want to take a look at too. It's trying to hold this 50-day moving average. Came down pretty hard today, but the weekly and the monthly are looking really ugly also. So we'll have to see about this, but it is getting kind of oversold. Everything's down, momentum's down, but the buyers stepped in. As you can see here, all this selling, and it didn't come down even to hit the 200-day. It did come right up to the 100-day, the 50-day. So it closed above the 50-day. So to me, that's still, it's holding its own for a move to the upside, but we'll have to see. But like I said, the weekly and the monthly are looking pretty rugged on IWM. All right, YGE. I want to take a look at this one. It might be coming out to be a lucrative play here. Just want to keep an eye on this one here. We have the double bottom in place. We broke the 50-day moving average. We're coming up to test the middle Bollinger Band. We break the middle Bollinger Band, and we're going to come up and fill this gap here at 416. After that, we have the $5. After that, we have another gap up here at 590. And that's what we need to keep an eye on. So YGE, we want to keep an eye on. JASO, J-A-S-O. JASO had the bottom. It was running along this here, the lower Bollinger Band. And we've had some 4 nice days of actually accumulating and moving forward. But one thing we need to take note of here is that we broke the 50-day moving average and the 200-day moving average, and it closed above it. Okay, so now all we need is to break this middle Bollinger Band at 1044. When we break that, we could start moving to the upside at a pretty good pace. There'll be a few resistance levels here, but for now we'll look at 1130 as the first target, and we'll go from there. But JASO looks pretty good to move forward. All right, GOL, new symbol. GOL, new symbol I haven't looked at. Broke the middle Bollinger Band, broke the 50-day moving average, and is riding up the upper Bollinger Band. So this one looks really good here, trending to the upside for sure. Look for the 642 and then this double top here of 689 before it starts moving higher. Nice volume into this. The relative strength index is looking good. Truck and money flow looks great, and the momentum looks great. So gold has plans to head higher here, and some of the resistance you want to take a look at here. Of course, we're going to have this one here, a little bit right here. We'll have this one right here. This will be more definitive than the other one, so 694, and then after that could get going a little bit higher. And then we're going to look at one more, BONA. BONA. Big move off the 200-day moving average. Let's zoom this back in over here. And you can see here it's had a nice move, 91 cents already up to the upside. But I do believe this one's going to come up and test this 804. So you want to keep an eye on this one. We did break this right here on nice volume. So with this being broken, the only real resistance is going to be up here at 805 and on 805, 9, in that area. So keep an eye on BONA. Okay, members, we have a great video tonight. Congratulations on last night's picks. They did awesome, even though the market was red. We have some great ones for tonight, and we're going to take a look at a couple other things also. All right, this is Matt over at Milestone Capital Growth Portfolio. See you in live chat tomorrow with the rest of us. There's about 55 to 60 in there hanging out. New members joining every day. So welcome aboard, everyone. Have yourself a great night.